What's up, meatheads? We're back in the garage today. Right to now, this is my current seat on the Dyna. I'm not really sure. It's a Harley branded seat of some sort. I don't know if what model it is, but today we're swapping this out for something interesting. I'm interested to see what it looks like. So it's kind of an unboxing video from CC Rider. So this is a new seat. This will be my first look at it. This is, not really sure what to expect. This is, for lack of better terms, a Saddlemen knockoff seat. So I am curious to see what this actually looks like. If this is, what the quality is, because this, I'll probably try and put a link in the description for this part or this seat, because it's significantly cheaper than a Saddlemen seat is. A Saddlemen seat right now for the Dynas are $485. This, after sales tax on the old Buddy Bezos website, was $190. So I'm curious to see how it looks. So give me a second as I do this one-handed. Oh my god, this is not gonna. 1 sec. Boom. After some technical difficulties of getting it off, that is actually really nice. I was expecting like some stitching to be like off-centered or something like that, like really odd stitching, but I'm actually genuinely surprised at actually how it's made. FXD Wide Glide Dyna models. Okay. A little carpet piece there. Some rubber. Oh, that's nice. That'll at least somewhat protect the fender. So now the question is where is the tab for the actual seat? We'll set there. Look at that, all that. Oh, there you are. All right, and they give they do give a washer, a rubber washer for your seat. So, all right, now that that's out and unboxed, I'm actually pretty happy with that so far. Not too bad so far for 190 bucks. It's definitely going to change the style of this bike, but let's get the old seat off and get the new one on. Will I guess the right size right off the bat? Oh, I do. Guess the right size right off the notch. So, like I said, I'm curious to see how this seat holds up, because Saddlemens, if you know, are notorious. They're good seats. I had one on my Road Glide, and although it took a while for it to like really get comfortable for me, it wasn't a bad seat by any means. So I'm curious to see how this compares, because I mean, $190 compared to $400, $500 for just a seat that you get off the shelf is pretty ridiculous in comparison. So let us pop this on here. It looks like you just have 2 Allen screws that need to come off so that this can go on there. I believe. I wonder if it's got to go like, yep, like that. Simple, easy. I wonder if it's the same size as the nut. Or is it smaller? Party of riders. CC Riders. I have a feeling that this is a Chinese knockoff of a Saddlemen, but nonetheless, yes. Why don't I move this over here? So let's come over here and talk to you guys. I'm interested to see how this goes, or how this fits too, because like that's always the thing that you get when you're going with the quality of a a Saddlemen, a Lepera, is that it's going to fit your seat. It's going to fit your bike. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about its fitment, its quality. You know, my Saddlemen was a good seat. It did take a while for my ass to get accompanied to it, and my wife's never really did. So like there is that. And I had a step up, which this is a knockoff of, so I'm curious if this will feel like the Saddlemen did when you first get on it, where it feels kind of like a brick, or if it's a little bit softer, because this one does not have the gel like most Saddlemens do in the driver's or the rider's spot. This is just foam, so I wonder if it'll be just a little bit more comfortable right away. But yeah, stitching's actually relatively nice. Now a tab. That's interesting. So this is where we're running into a bit of some kerfuffle. Because that tab does not want to slide out, slide underneath my part of this. This is why I wanted to document this, because this actually is not locking in like it should. Do I need to loosen these? Technical difficulties. Let me be right back. Alright, we got it on. This tab for this front seat to go under the tank mount was definitely a pain in the butt. It took a little bit of like wiggling it side to side while pushing it forward to get it to slot in there. I will tell you that there are some quality issues, like the staples for like stapling the seat cover on here in this area especially are loose or not even really in there. But, and then obviously I don't really like how big this washer is, the pad, so I'm just using the rubber one from my other seat on there. But other than that, we are on, nice and secure. Can't pop the front off of the seat. Obviously it's not nearly as wide as the old seat because there's my nice rub marks. But for the most part, it's exposed a little bit more of the fender, but not like drastically so. But I mean, obviously, looks and feels like it looks like a Saddlemen. Got that look at least. Oh, it is a bit squishier than the Saddlemen was. Yeah, that's a bit better. It does feel like we are sitting on here pretty decently. Let's sit on it for the first time. Okay. Definitely sat up a bit higher feeling than I was before, but it's got good squish to it actually. I'm actually pretty happy about that. I always found that my Saddlemen was just so rough, so stiff for me riding. This has got some good cush to it without the gel. I'm pretty happy with that. For 190 bucks, we'll see how it goes with a few miles on it, but I'm liking the stitching is actually relatively lined up and feels good once you got it wiggled in there. It's not like a beautiful fit at first, but like you gotta mess with it a little bit, but it fits. Looks nice. Alright guys, so that is an install and kind of an unboxing of the CC Rider, we'll say CCP Rider knockoff Saddlemen Step Up from Amazon. I mean, if you want to save yourself some money and you could buy 2 or 3 of these seats in your lifetime before you ever make up for the Saddlemen. Maybe the Saddlemen will last longer, I don't know, but I'll at least say from my perspective, that seat's got a little bit more give to it and forgiveness than the Saddlemen ever did. So peace out everybody. Check out I'll link the seat from Amazon in the bio and the description of the video, but that ain't too bad. Let's get a long view, get a wide angle view How do we look? How do we look? Yeah, we're looking like a proper Dyna now. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay pumped up. Keep the Chinese side up. Stay meaty.